This is the introduction for the Hornady lock and load AP progress reloading machine. That's my machine, that's my setup. So I want to give a quick introduction for what I've been doing with this machine and how I set up. First thing I want to show you probably what's it look like is from the bottom. From the bottom you can see I bolted on the bench top. Then we look at it. This is the middle reloading section here, the platform, and there's a die. There's the case feeder, the powder thrower, and then all the way up to there. So this is quite a big setup and very comprehensive. Okay, we have a close look. If we go to zoom in, yep, okay. First thing you have a look at this is the strong mount made by aluminum. It's enclosed all sides. You can raise up from the bench top, so give you a decent height to look at the case fitting. And then you can go up here. You can see that's the bullet tray. This tray is a special design. You can see this catching shutter here, basically case falling into this shutter, falling into this tray, so make everything safe and the process is smooth. Okay, then we go up a bit here. You can see that's the case fitting. This whole setup is automatic case feeder. So case drop from the here into this clear tube, then get into this reloading arm here, loading up, and then put the case into the shell plate. Then go up a bit, we can see that is the digital bullet counter. Basically, it goes into the last station, which is the last die here. That's the cramp die. Basically, when you finish the reloading, the last stage is cramp. So when every bullet goes into the cramp die, they activate this digital counter. So that's the display there. You can see display will show you how many bullets you've been doing it. You can just start to counting the total, or every time you reload you can reset it, start from 0. Okay, we can go up a bit. Or you can see, forgot this is a projectile feeder, bullet feeder. So bullet goes into this stage, and from here, this clear tube, the drop into the empty case. The case already loaded with powder. The powder die is in front of this case feeder, or the bullet feeder. Okay, we go up, have a look there. Then you can see when you go up there, we can see the middle section here. This is the multi-tube case feeder. They got 4 clear tube, so you can load lots more cases in one time. So you fill up the whole tube, you just can start reloading. With this tube finish, you turn the second tube, third tube, fourth tube. You can load 100, like a 9mm case, load probably 100 something a time. So it's convenient, save a bit time. Then we have a look at something behind here. At the back there, this is the shell plate holder. You know, we all got a couple of the spare shell plate, because the machine will not only just load one caliber, we do probably 2-3 calibers, with one machine. So we always have some spare shell holder. Normally you put into somewhere, it's hard to remember or always looking for. But this shell holder actually is in the center hole here. This machine you will notice, I put a big, that's about 1 meter high steel round center pole there. This pole gives me a lot of advantage, because I can fixing all different additional accessories on the pole. So you can see the shell plate is being bolted into the pole here. So you can see that's 3. You can put 3 spare shell plate there. So we're going up. Then you can see there's some label holder. So you can put the powder type. What sort of powder you put there? You can name the powder and then slide into a little note inside this holder, so you will never forget what powder was inside there. And then you can see that's the little arm to hold the multi-tube case fader, give a bit of stability. So that means they're very stable. The whole case fader won't wobble. Then we're going up. Then you can see top there. Okay, that's a few things there. First thing you can see, there's the lights here, LED lights on both sides. This lights also fixed on the center steel pole. So these lights basically lights up the whole reloading station. So I call this station lights, LED, powered by the 5-volt mobile phone charger. So easy to use, low voltage, bright. Yeah, nice and easy. Then the middle there, this little case catcher. So you basically just screw the case into this top like a catcher, then you shake it, then the case will automatically drop into the clear tube. So add a bit of convenience for when you're doing the case fitting. Okay, going up there, there's on top of the center pole, there's a little I call the label holder again, but that is a multiple one. You can put 12 different notes in each side. So that means you can record all your different setup, like your 9mm, your 38 special, 357, 44 Magnum, 45 ACP. Each one, you just print out the powder type, the weight, the overall length, all this data into a small piece of paper and slide into there. So you don't need a notebook anymore. So every time you look up, your setup is there, your recipe is there. So okay, we're going down again. I forgot it's hard to see from this angle. Okay, we see if we can zoom in a bit to see here. Oh no, I can't do. You can see in the middle there, next to the digital bullet counter, also we have the center LED there. Center LED lights, they basically just push into the center and then lights up from underneath. So basically, the whole reloading shield plate is being lights up. So it's just a very bright and convenient to use it. Okay, that's the quick introduction to the setup I've been doing with this Hornady reloading machine. So yeah, I'll probably give more detailed explanation later. Yeah, thank you. Bye now.